My name is Joe Cisler. I'm engineering manager here at Egan Food Technologies, and I utilize Counterpart from a mechanical design perspective. Egan Food Technologies is a food processing OEM that basically we manufacture food processing equipment from confectionery industry to baking, lines of like chocolate molding and bar forming and cookie dough extrusion and things of that nature. We've been in business for about 10 years. So I decided to implement an ERP solution software, Counterpart specifically. We were searching for a better way to tie SOLIDWORKS directly into how we were ordering all our pieces and parts. And the old way of doing it, we had a nice system that worked with AutoCAD years ago, and when we made the transition to SOLIDWORKS, it started to become a struggle in terms of communicating and the direct link from our Microsoft Access system into SOLIDWORKS. And so I sought out a way to maybe seamlessly transition a bill of materials from SOLIDWORKS into an ERP system that we could directly order. And lo and behold, Counterpart kind of jumped out at us and fell right into our lap almost, and that has provided a perfect solution from SOLIDWORKS right to engineering order to bill of material generation. Counterpart to me is an essential tool for what we do here, which is a made-to-order, engineer-to-order OEM manufacturer for food processing equipment. And there are constantly elements that are changing, and no one machine to the next is the same. And what Counterpart does is allows us to easily go from one machine to the next, using similar parts, being able to easily track down information from previous orders and generate those designs more effortlessly, and easily generate those orders and communicate it from engineering on down to assembly. What I would say to other owners and managers thinking about making the switch to Counterpart is just try it out. We went through that process of not being sure. We had such a specific way of doing it for so many years that it's kind of hard to change that mindset, and it's terrifying, really. So what we did was we gave it a trial run, and the support staff that was available from Smooth Logics was very helpful in terms of getting the implementation up, getting the server side set up without really any hassle on our end, and it made it quite a seamless transition.